Today I'm going to show you a new type, it's not new, but new to me, type of air chuck for your tires. So this is my air gun that I use to fill my tires up with a digital gauge, and it has this clip style. I don't know if you can see, but you push this in, you push it down on the valve stem, and then this little clip holds it on. The thing I don't like about these is that they are hard to get to seal. They don't work particularly well in my mind. So the way I like to do things. But I'm going to demonstrate that to you now, and then we're going to install this new style that I found that is a like a quick release style as well, but it has more of a better seal. So basically, you push this down on the valve stem. You push your coupler forward, and then it seals on there, and there's no air leaking, and it just works a lot better. So we are going to install that onto this today, but first we're going to demonstrate why I'm not a particular fan of this kind. So we'll install it onto the air hose and go over to the Jeep. Alright, so you'll see I push this down, I push it on, and see, it's leaking. You can't even hardly get it to not leak, no matter what I do. I gotta hold it into position to get it to not leak. Alright, so to do this particular one, I need a few wrenches, and one is a 9/16, and then this fitting is a 5/8. So I'm going to just use them to take this end off. Alright, then just because I always do, I'm going to put a little bit of thread tape on here, clean these threads off, just to make sure we get a good tight seal here with the new fitting. We'll take our new fitting. That fitting has a 3/4. Take our 9/16. Easy as that. Make sure our coupler is slid back. And watch this. This is so nice. It's so easy. I just take it, slide it on, push the coupler forward, put air in the tire. When I'm done, slide the coupler back, pull it off. So, I will put in the comments the link to these. I just purchased these on Amazon. They're not very expensive. You can get them in packs of 1 or 4. I bought 4 because I'm going to change out a few other things. I also use these couplers on my off-road hose kit and some other things, and I really like them. So yeah, pick up some. You saw how quick that was to switch it out. Hopefully this was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe. That helps the channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day.